Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by opening Roblox Studio and enabling voice chat or required audio permissions. Create or upload your audio assets to the Asset Manager. Place sounds in Sound Service or inside the character model for reliable control. Add a sound object and set sound ID to your uploaded asset URL. Set volume, looped, and playback speed values in the Properties panel. Test audio locally first, then run a server test to confirm replication across players. Write a local script in Starter Player scripts to detect input and trigger audio. Get a reference to the sound object and call SoundPlay to start playback. When you want others to hear, fire a remote event to the server with the sound ID. The server relays the remote event to other clients so they can play a replicated sound. Adjust volume, looped, and playback speed on the sound for consistent auditory experience. Always debounce triggers to avoid overlapping playback issues. For talking visuals, sample sound. Playback loudness on the client to drive mouth morphs or animation tracks. Map loudness ranges to mouth shapes and interpolate values for smooth transitions. Play the audio on the client first to eliminate local lag, then send a remote event with the timestamp to other clients. Other clients play the same sound with the provided timestamp to align playback. Use small network buffers and client-side prediction to reduce jitter. Test across devices and adjust interpolation and buffer sizes for best results.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.